Hi, again, my name's Lorenzo. I'm just bought my Phantom about a month and a half ago um, from Brookstone, and now after charging it 3 times, my controller won't charge anymore. You can see here. I'm just gonna move this closer. When I go to turn it on, no lights, no nothing. Doesn't do anything. And I charge it. Just open up the charging cables here. You can see. And it won't charge. And it won't turn on while that's in either. So, not sure what's wrong. I've been sure to charge them separately, so I never charged the battery at the same time I was charging the controller unit to make sure, because you guys mentioned that in your manual, and I seem to have still stumbled upon an issue. So, yeah, thank you for your help.